Alrighty. So, some of you are probably, some might be watching, but let me, how do I do this? Alright. Well, yeah, I wish I had more than one screen. No. But I'm gonna talk as if there's people. So, alright. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna be doing some coding. I've been trying to code this program in PowerShell, and pretty much it is to, I guess, get a bunch of information for your computers. I'm trying to make it faster, right? So, like, for example, I'm going to show you. And I run this. It's going to take some time. All right. And that's because it is going through every single process and grabbing information off of it. And I'm just trying to figure out if there's a faster way to do this. I believe there is, but I haven't been successful. Well, it's not that I haven't been successful, it's just when I created this, there was, oh, sorry, I'm gonna just, oh, okay, don't do that. There was a difficulty as far as adding additional information onto it, so I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So pretty much it's just trying to get, once this finishes, it's trying to get specific information like start time, executable, type, verified signer, username, whatnot. But it's going to go get the first process first, right? And then it's going to look for all of this information off of that first process, and then it's going to put them into a nice spreadsheet at the end. At least it should. I don't think it is. Oh, right. So to get it into a nice CSV, right? I can do an out CSV. Oh, sorry, export CSV. And then choose the path. I'm going to call this processes.csv. And once that finishes, I'll show you what I mean. Actually, I'll just do a couple of seconds just so I can show you guys as fast as possible. So I'm going to stop it here. I got processes.csv, and it looks like this, right? And it shows you a list of, other than this field that it always gives, it should give you like, hey, the name of the process that's running, the process ID, command line of that process, the path of that specific process, and the children that are running under it. Right, so it's kind of expansive as far as how many are running under certain things, but this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, all these processes are running under this process services.exe, and this is what it looks like. These are the paths, or the paths of those services. So like the command line of this, the process ID, so the process ID of services is svc host, and right, and there's just a lot of information. I know it's not formatted the best of ways, but it kind of gives you a breakdown. Now what it can do, instead of saving into a CSV, a lot cleaner way of looking at it, I can throw this in the garbage, is we can outgrid view this, right, and up cups this little window, and it kind of looks like this. It kind of looks nicer. Like I said, this is supposed to be kind of like a miniature process explorer information, but the problem is it's just really slow, and that's with a lot of things. So if any of you guys have any ideas, let me know if you guys have any ideas. So we're gonna try. I'm gonna try working on this in a different window and trying to see if I can make it better. So first off, this is I'm gonna get all this information off of processes. So ID, we gotta get this information, all right? So the way I've been doing it is get new sim session option. I know some people have been doing this. Alright, we'll do option equals a new sim session session option. Alright, and then do get sim session new sim instance sim class name win32 underscore process. Trying to figure out. Like I said, it's kind of hard to figure out. I'm trying to sim class win store process. Is this it? I don't know. Get sim class win32 underscore process. Is it sim instance? Okay. So I think this is it. Yes. Select properties. Oh goodness. So these are the properties I can select. You have the names, the handles, priorities, handles, But you only have process ID, but you don't have parent process ID. Get process? So get process. It doesn't have that either. The only thing that does is the get WMI object. Select parent process ID win32 process. Alright, so that's the only reason I've been only using WMI objects. Now I don't know why get some instance doesn't have that parent process ID. Oh, it does. So I don't know why it's not. Alright. Select process ID. Alright. Process ID is going to equal that. Process ID. I think that's just going to, okay, so if I dot notate it to process ID, I should only get the process IDs. Okay. So that's exactly kind of what I did here. The only problem is now they say to just grab this information. That's what people were saying, but I don't know. Just shoot me some comments. See what you guys think. Come up with. The only reason I was using these hash tables is because you can make a nice little table that grabs that information and then exports it out. But I'm still having difficulties. Yeah. Thanks for watching.